Hi everyone, in front of me you've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the apps. As you can see, they should be under the battery. So let's tap on it, and now let's tap on Manage Apps. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter, or actually tap, Reset Up Preferences. And here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions also, which is not listed here. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.